brightness of the glitter and the cream. Pick up the cup shatters, super glue the seams. I know you want that light, but you don't know what it means, so hold up. You should slow up and you can act tough, living reckless, giving no fucks, and giving things are changing from mediocre to worse. Doesn't mean you gotta give up on that Mother Earth. You heard? Keep a mellow head, maintain your view. The image just changed from the lies they spew. Keep a mellow head. I don't remember last week. Remember when bland, not a day without a can glued to my hand, getting blasted by a fan, cause it's climate change. So hard to understand. Takes a cup of the world, teaspoon of the people. Think it'd be good if the people got a people. Take a look inside a nation, steals, lies and kills. Uniform society filled with stock chops and drum fills.
Ooh, nice witness.
Drowning bells, reaching for that windowsill. Surrounded by beats and I'm fiending for the record deal. Is it coming? I don't know nothing. Poison like that, that'll always keep your head buzzing. Doesn't curmudgeon, the fake thuggin' rappers ain't nothing. The bitter fame got everybody lusting. Keep your head out of the trap and learn something, Blumpkin. It goes first album, first check, all bills paid. And out come the bright lights and the big parade. Behold a big bungalow, the beautiful gaze, and the grass-fed, the acres to graze, the garden sage. The peppers, tomatoes, and the hay. Achieve the life of luxury of Tuscany, but totally fake. The future that these youths abuses into plastics, not creative. Tupperware spastics, fanatics. Shoot 'em up to outer space galactic and let the ashes dance with the stars and the actresses. The feathers and the mattresses. The pleasures in the touch of feel the cactuses. To me it all looks fake. I just don't know how much room or more I can take.
Imagine a text saying your homie died, an enemy or whatever, fuck it, you know the guy. Imagine knowing all that started off that war was pride and lies. Be a man, hold it in your eyes. Take a look up in the sky and count the doves. I believe it's 23. Every flap is every breath that I've been blessed to get to breathe. Rather let you rest in praises as opposed to rest in peace. At the least, that's just me being me, convoluted as can be. In my future, I can view it so vivid and beautifully. The distances I will leap from the man that I used to be. But now, summer doesn't exist anymore. Best case scenario, I get to finish a tour, then chill with August in August, before I march again. Dayquil in April, I know how cold this art can get my head hurting, I must have a lot on my mind. When I got time on my hands, people put hands on my time.
Overload.
I miss the days in Howard County, kicking it with the crew. Now me and Thane, Cali coasting, and we fixing on some moves. Didn't take the route I was expected to. Instead of business suits, I'm trying to get into festivals. This year had 2 funerals, 2 weddings, 2 graduations. Sister had twins, second birthday the other day. That's too many tools to view a life's phases. The crazy things that it becomes more basic as we're aging, and a lot of times I wonder, do we enjoy the days or do we get annually number? Do we learn from the pain or do we never recover? Do we deal with our own shit or do we get a plumber?
A man can only wonder.